On today's video, we're going to do a bun style using a hair donut. You've probably seen these before, and you know that you pull your hair through it and you wrap it around and you get like a cute little donut bun. So we're going to use the hair donut, but we're actually not going to use it to make a donut bun. We're going to use it to make a big bun in our thin hair. Now, there are different sizes of buns. If you have thinner or shorter hair, you might want to buy a smaller bun. This one is what I would consider like the standard size. And if this is all you can find and it's still too big, you can always cut it in half and make it like a little half bun, because it's not essential that it actually be a donut for this style. So if you do want to get one and you find the one you get is too big, experiment with cutting it down a little bit. So we're going to start by putting the hair up in a ponytail. And as I always say, make sure you put your ponytail sort of where you want your bun to go. But in this case, the hair is going to come forward from where our ponytail is and make our bun in front of the ponytail. So the ponytail could be a little bit further back than you want the bun to go, because if your ponytail sits here, the bun is going to sit in front of the ponytail. So we're just going to tie the hair like so. Then we're going to take our donut and we're going to place it where we want our bun to be. And we're going to take a couple bobby pins and we are going to stick one side into the bottom of the bun, one side to our head, and slide it in. And then we'll do that on the other side, and that's just going to keep this donut in place. And then we're going to take our ponytail and flip it forward over the bun. I'm not going to worry about spreading it out yet. I'm going to take another hair tie and I am just going to tie that over. And then I'm going to spread my hair over the bun. And you can imagine using one that's the same color as your hair is ideal. And you can imagine if your hair was any shorter than mine, this would be too big. So you'd have to cut it in half. But you can see how it doesn't matter if it actually has a hole. So if you cut it into a smaller shape, that is going to be just fine. Now I'm just going to pull my base a bit. I probably should have pulled my base before I made my bun. It would be easier. But if you forget like I did, you can always do it after. And there we go. That's it. You literally have a giant bun on your head, even though you have like no hair. Love this hack. I learned it recently myself. I tried it out. Worked super well, so I knew I had to share it with you guys. Let me know in the comments if you try it and how it works out for you. I hope that this gives you another fun and easy way that you can put your hair up in a bun. And you don't even have to know how to pin it or do any crazy flips or anything. You just have to have a bun and be able to make a ponytail. Thank you so much for watching today. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Like and subscribe if you're not already following my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the fun content. I will see you next time. Bye.